Hey, so what you just saw was the Sprayit 33500 on this door. This door would take two coats, but I'm going to show you how I use this painting a room. I'm going to paint the door frames, the trim, the window, everything with this. Nice little thing. Stay tuned in the video. I'll show you how to break this thing down and clean it. Here's the room we're going to paint. Got it masked off. Going to paint this door frame. We're going to paint those two door frames and all the space boards. We're going to paint around that window, all with the Sprayit 33500. We're using a little pancake DeWalt 6-gallon. I want to tell you, you need a bigger air compressor tank than this. Don't let anybody fool you. You need a bigger air compressor tank than this because I'll be stopping and letting it fill up with air quite a few times. I was wanting to get in here with this window and show you how well this thing does, but I don't know how to do it with my iPhone. So I'll show you what I can. The air compressor is probably going to come on, so I'll probably kill the volume here shortly. Let's see if I can do it right here. What I did was, right here on these controls, this right here controls your spray pattern. This controls how much volume's coming out. This controls how much air. Well, that's it for the Sprayit 33500. It does a great job on doing what I just did. This literally took maybe 20 minutes to do everything in here. I had to fill this up 3 times, but I didn't use just a little bit out of the third one. I will have to go over it with another coat, but the second coat goes pretty fast because you can just a light film over top of it. It covers up everything. This is some stained wood, so it does soak up the paint pretty fast. Um, let's go clean this thing. I'll get some hot water going. This thing is super easy to clean. Put that there. Break that loose. And be sure to get your threads inside there. All right, pretty good. Lid. Unscrew this right here. We'll clean the front of this. Latex is so easy to clean up. To take this off, you want to pull the trigger and take it off. You don't never want to unscrew this without the trigger being pulled because you'll mess up the tip of your needle. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Good, good, pretty good. All right. Now we're going to unscrew this all the way. Don't lose your spring or anything down the sink. Pull your trigger. Take this out. Just wipe that off. Now we get down in here. Go ahead and get this cleaned off before it sets up. Okay. Now when it comes, you'll have a filter in here. I took the filter out. I didn't like the way it was doing with the filter in there. You can leave it in or take it out. I took mine out and threw it away. Worked in the paint shop for a long time. We had guns just like this, and we never had filters in them. All right, that's it. Now we're just going to take a towel and dry this off. We'll use one of my wife's good towels. Yep. Yeah, she don't mind. She don't mind. Okay, time to put her back together. Put your needle in there first. Slide it through. Put your spring and everything back in here. You don't have to go down all the way with it. Pull your trigger back. See there? Now you can screw that on and it won't mess up the tip of your needle. Just give it a little what for there. Hunker it down. Put this cap back on. Fan tip. All right. Let's wipe this out. All cleaned up pretty good in just a matter of a few minutes.